start.
Hello, I'm Zoe. We will talk about confectionery. Confectionery is the art of making confections, which are food items that are rich in sugar and carbohydrates. For example, let's go to the candy stores to buy hard candies. How is it made up of? Well, candy is made by dissolving sugar in water or milk to form a syrup, which is boiled until it reaches the desired concentration or starts to caramelize. The type of candy depends on the ingredients and how long the mixture is boiled. Candy comes in a wide variety of textures, from soft and chewy to hard and brittle. The candy is therefore formed in the shape of large dough, as for the first step. In second step, the workers try to elongate it into a candy rod, and cut the rods around 1 meter long. The candy rods are placed in a cooling region to make it rigid, or else it will become flat due to room temperature. Third step, the workers cut it with a knife every 1/4 inch of a candy rod. And the last step, we can observe it appears to be ready. There can be lots of food coloring for the candy, but be sure not to be confused with color paints. There are 7 colors listed below according to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in 1938. Brilliant blue for the blue color. Indigo tine for the indigo color. Fast green for the turquoise color. Erythrocene for the pink color. Allure red for the red color. Tartrazine for the yellow color. And sunset yellow for the orange color. But the problem we can face is, such as hyperactivity in children, as well as cancer and allergies. One can be done for the experiments like Amy Rose had taught you about it. Before meeting her, let's complete this current category. Candies are widely used to make lollipops, candy canes, and jelly beans. Lollipops can be made when candy rod is bent to form a spiral. Candy canes can be made with the shape of J, that can be used during Christmas. And for the jelly beans, the basic ingredients of jelly beans include sugar, tapioca or corn syrup, and pectin or starch. One thing, have you noticed this game, called Candy Crush Saga? According to the publisher King, you players can beat levels in the game. Swipe the candies to form 3 in a row. For 4 in a row, it can therefore form a stripped candy. For T and L matches, you get a wrapped candy ready to explode. For 5 in a row, a chocolate candy called a color bomb. You can detonate on any identical candies as a choice. Now, let's meet Amy Rose. Hi Amy.
Oh hey, it's you, Zooey.
Does food coloring is used in the experiment? It is also used in the confectionery too.
Okay.
Give an example of how food coloring is used in chemistry experiments.
Let's take an example of food coloring is used in magic milk.
Yeah.
It's a very simple and easy experiment. When you pour a dishwash soap on it, the food coloring starts to spread.
Okay.
Or without a soap, we can use either toothpicks or earbuds instead.
Yeah.
Other experiment can be used for elephant toothpaste too, that acts as a fire snake experiment.
Okay, thanks for telling me how to use these.
See you, Zooey.
See you then. So, this topic you know about confectionery. Like, comment, and subscribe now.